ka po magdadala ng baril, always ang pistol natin, kung wala po kayong holster, nakabulsa. Wala po naglalakad na, nakaganyan, naka-insert yung trigger finger off. Always trigger finger off. Pag nandun kami po sa range, saka natin dadalhin yung pistol yung finger off. Kuha.
Yes, sir.
Then number 3, be sure we target what is around it. Kung ano naman po namin doon, yun lang po yung target paper mo. Pag sinabi ko, okay, from here, from 5 meters, from that, busy. Kasi may mga combat marksmanship, may mga, ano kami sa ano po, military. Then, number 4, always trigger finger off. Pag nandun po tayo sa range, always trigger finger off po. Hindi po palagi naka-insert in. Pag sinabi namin doon sa range, okay, draw your pistol, insert magazine, load, and make ready. Pagdating po doon, Sir Mac, ituturong ulit namin kung paano mag-insert. Then, number 5, safety. Kaligtasan po ang pinaka-important. Okay, question po regarding sa 5 cardinal laws, sir. Question po, kung may tanong.